Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a minute, you guys. It's been about a year, probably year to date, since I posted my last video. We moved, obviously, so we moved to a different place, about 30 minutes from where I was living before. I am a lot closer to my job. If you have been following me, you know I worked about 45 minutes away from my job, so now I'm just about 15 minutes, which is awesome. So my commute is not terrible anymore. A little bit closer to civilization because we lived in the country, so we're just a little bit closer to everybody. And now all of my family is all in the same area, so that's awesome. If you are new here, my name is Tamara. I am a mom of three. I'm in a relationship when we just moved to our first place that we have together. So this has been exciting. It's been a journey. It's definitely been a journey, but it's very exciting. Just looking forward to what 2024 has to bring. Today, clean out my refrigerator because I plan on going grocery shopping. So just need to make sure I get everything cleaned up before I do that. Also, just a couple of life updates. I'm still working full time. Still hanging in there at my job, working for a mortgage company in customer service. It's okay, and that's all I can really say about that. I have adjusted this year with working back in the office opposed from working at home, which I was doing last year. So last January we went back into the office, which is probably why I haven't been so consistent with my videos, but that's the reason why. But hopefully this will bring a little bit of cleaning motivation. It's not much, but I also posted a empty apartment tour on my shorts. So that's going to be there if you like to view it. So just kind of relax and enjoy the cleaning motivation. Now to the actual clean out of the refrigerator, y'all, I feel like we waste so much food. Being that our schedules are so hectic, we do eat out a lot, which is why we have a lot of condiments, I tell you that. But we eat out a lot. And that's something I did want to change in 2024 is to cook and kind of go back on my budgeting to where I'm buying groceries and I'm making a meal plan to cook dinner every day. It's like I said, with our schedules, I get off at 5:30. My boyfriend, he is a barber, so depending on the day of the week, he is there late, sometimes till 8:30. So sometimes we don't eat dinner till almost 9, which is not a great thing. But also, that's life right now. So I mean, we just do what we can, but we do eat out. I eat a lot. So hopefully we'll get back into the swing of cooking and staying on budget, because we do spend a lot of money eating out, and that's sad. But anyway, but we're working on that. That's something that we're definitely working on. You guys, this apartment has been like the best thing. Not sure if any of y'all knew before, but where I was living before, it was a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. I did not have a washer and dryer hookup, which I'm so sad about, but I'm not anymore, I guess. But we do have a washer and dryer hookup, and it's a struggle living with 1 bathroom with 4 people, but also not having a wash and dryer hookup. So we're having to go to the laundromat, and that took a toll on us. So we just wanted to make sure that we move somewhere that we have everything that we need. We have so many amenities, which I'll do a tour. And I'll also take y'all with me to where we can go and work out, the game room and all that kind of stuff. I want all y'all to see that. They have a dog park. We have an outside sitting area with a big screen TV and the fireplace. And that's part of our community, but I love it here. It's been great. Our neighbors are quiet and they're great. Well, for the most part anyway. I mean, we have some young people that live over us, which is fine. Our kids are young too, so I mean, it works, and we are really enjoying being here. So, like I said, it's been a journey. It's been hard, just kind of adjusting to everything, and of course, financially, but also just mentally, just adjusting to everything. And then also him not knowing the area, so him getting used to the area and stuff. So it's just been an adjustment, but we are adjusting, and so we're so super proud of where we are currently, and also where we're going. So I made some buffalo chicken dip. That's what we had kind of like as a snack. yesterday while I was kind of straightening up. It was in a crock pot. You see, it's not fully cooked all the way yet. It's that cheese on the side. It's that crisp part. Tastes really good. Mix that with that hot sauce. But that's the cream cheese that hadn't fully melted yet. So it was really, really good. It was nice and spicy, just like I like it, nice and seasoned. So it was really good. And I can put that recipe if you guys want it, just kind of see if you like it. But I love it. Yeah, so this was hours later. So after I cleaned out the refrigerator, I kind of got tired and I wanted to eat, and I took a nap. So yeah, so I didn't throw everything away. So this part is where I'm just kind of getting the kitchen set up and ready because my daughter was coming over. I was going to do her makeup. She was going to a party. My daughter is also 6 months pregnant with my third grandbaby. So excited about my baby girl coming into this world in April, my birthday month. So I'm excited about that. But yeah, I was just going to do her makeup when she got here. And then my grandson and my granddaughter was with her. So I got to spend some time with them and love on them a little bit. So yeah, this is just me finishing cleaning up the kitchen before she got there. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the end. I'm just going to light my candle before I go get all the stuff ready to do her makeup. So I hope y'all have a great rest of your week. Enjoy, and I will see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe, and have a blessed week.